Welcome to another episode of Kookievision. In this video, I'm going to be making a glass of red wine. So I actually started with a tree-shaped cookie here, and I just basically chopped off the top inch or so, and I was left with this nice big wine glass, which is exactly what I wanted. And I'm outlining the wine part first. This is a reddish purple color, and this is a number 2 tip with a piping consistency, and I'm flooding it in with the same color that I have here in a squeeze bottle, this time in a flooding consistency, and I'll use my scribe tool to even everything out and get rid of any air bubbles. Now, while this is still wet, I want to add a few little bubbles to this wine. So I'm going to use a flooding consistency again that I have here in a squeeze bottle, and this color is just a touch lighter than the wine color that I used earlier. And I just piped a few little dots on each side. Now I've let that wine color kind of crust over for a little while, and I'm using a piping consistency white royal icing for the glass. So this is a number 2 tip, and I've outlined the top rim of the glass as well as the bottom of the glass, and I'm going to flood this in with the same color, this time in a flooding consistency that I have here in a squeeze bottle. And as always, I'll use my scribe tool to get all the icing towards the edges and get rid of any unwanted air bubbles. So I've let this dry completely, and I actually let it dry overnight because that's what I like to do with all of my flooding layers. I like to dry them overnight just to be safe, so I can save myself any grief from color bleeding or anything like that when I do the details. And I'm re-outlining everything, so I've got a piping consistency black here that I have here fitted with a number 2 tip, and I've just outlined the wine itself and the glass as well as the stem on the bottom. And I'm using a number 2 tip again with a piping consistency white royal icing, and I just did a little teardrop on the side to add a little bit of extra shine. So there we go, we got some big fat wine glasses here, perfect for any sort of elegant party or bachelorette party, bridal shower, wedding. So thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like me on Facebook and on Instagram. Bye!